Hey team, it is Tuesday the 2nd. I got another home workout for you. Today is 3 rounds of 5-minute AMRAPs, which means you guys are going to do 3 5-minute AMRAPs. Pretty easy. Before we get stuck into today, I'm going to go through all of the movements for the workout that is written, and then I'm going to give you a couple of ideas for some things to scale if you can't do some of the movements, in particular for today's workout, the 400-meter run. So today's workout, 3 rounds of you're going to do 3 5-minute AMRAP. Yeah, 3 5-minute AMRAPs. Yeah, starting with a 400-meter run, 30 double dumbbell deadlifts, finishing with max dumbbell facing burpees. You guys are then going to rest for 5 minutes between each round, which means that when you're working in the 5 minutes, you are going hammer and tong. Yeah, let's deal with the first movement first, which is the 400-meter run. If you guys have got somewhere where you can run, so you're lucky enough to be able to run outside with your mask on, obviously, hit up the road, yeah, and then come back. You guys are lucky that you can do the run. If running's not your thing because you've got calf issues, feet issues, knee issues, or you normally jump on a bike or a rower here in the gym, if you've got a push bike, then go and do the push bike, yeah? How far you need to go? I would say if you can ride like a minute in one direction and then a minute back the other way, that's probably gonna be the correct distance, yeah? It's hard to gather and have an exact scale for the run for a push bike, but you're basically looking at, so if you can complete like a minute and a half to 2 minutes worth of cardio, either on a push bike and then come back in, that's gonna be ideal. Failing that, you could do 2 minutes of double unders or 2 minutes of skipping as your cardio component, but please bear in mind we also have double unders tomorrow, yeah? Another alternative would be some form of box jump or step up, okay? If you've got a chair or a box or a retaining wall or something like that that you could do, using that as your substitute would be a good idea, and I would do 30 of those, yeah? So swapping out the 400-meter run with 30 step-ups or 30 box jumps could be another cardio alternative. Once you've done that, you'll move into your 30 double dumbbell deadlifts. So if you've got dumbbells at home or you've got an object similar to dumbbells, you'll be holding these in both hands to your side, and you'll just be executing our normal deadlifts like what we would do in the gym. If you're unfortunate enough or you don't have something that's similar to a dumbbell, or you've only got one of them or a kettlebell, obviously you can do the same movement by just holding that thing in between your legs. Maybe like a gas canister, yeah? Or if you've got a bag or something similar to that's a single object, same principle. You can utilize one object to do the same thing. Once you guys have done 30 of those, you'll then move into your max dumbbell facing burpees. That's the scored part for today, okay? Your score is your max dumbbell facing or odd object facing burpee. So you'd get your equipment out of the way, you'd have it here, and you need to be facing it when you do your burpee. Over, and then back down, and over. So something that you feel comfortable enough to jump over, yeah? You will do those burpees until the remainder of the 5 minutes is complete. So just to recap, set a timer. You'll have 5 minutes to do a 400-meter run, or your alternative, 30 double dumbbell deadlifts, and then you'll max out with the remaining time of your burpees. Once that's done, you'll rest 5 minutes, and then you're going to repeat that another 2 more times. Have fun with that, guys. Get after it. See you tomorrow.